YouTube, Aaron Goodman here. This is a quick video under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to add custom fields in your Go High Level CRM and also import a list of leads into Go High Level CRM. This will be something like if you had a email campaign you wanted to run, or maybe you're converting from another CRM into Go High Level CRM. This is going to show you how to import that spreadsheet into Go High Level in under 5 minutes. Let's go. I've got this lawn service campaign. I want to quickly point out the column headers that I've got, because what we need to do is make sure that we have the right fields within our CRM to match the fields or the column headers in. So we've got company, website name, first name, last name, title, email, LinkedIn profile, city, state, and country. So if we go over here to contacts, we're able to see our leads that we've got. This is my demo account here. And if I click the gear icon on the top here within the contacts, it's going to show me the different fields that we have for leads. And so essentially the only one that I don't have is title. And before I add one, what we also have is folders. And what folders allows you to see is the information that are tied into the different folders. So within contacts, you have, name, email, phone number, the main things related to the contact itself. And you've got general information. So that would be address, business name, location, website. And then additional information. Typically this information is form entry fields that have been put in a form that you created or a survey, and you can adjust those very easily. I'm going to show you that real quick. If I click over here and go to edit, you're able to come in here and adjust the text of this, put different information in. If you were to accidentally delete a field, you can just come in here to the deleted fields, click here, and then they would show up right here, and you just say recover, and that's going to allow you to recover that deleted field. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the name title. And so that's just going to be a single line. This is where you've got the different inputs, for single line, multi-line, text box, phone numbers, drop downs, radio buttons, or a date selection tool. You can do a file upload, which is pretty handy, and even a signature. So pretty cool as far as what Go High Level allows you to pick. But for this, it's nice and simple. So I'm going to do single line. I'm going to move my bald head out of the way, and I'm going to hit next. And so for this, I'm just going to say title, and it's going to be for the contact, is where the object will be. And then the group is I can actually put this I can bubble this information into the contact, general information, or additional information. And I think title should go in with the contact information. So that's all I want to do there, and I'm going to hit save. And now we see that here with the title. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and you'll see this ribbon here where we've got all these different options for interacting with the contacts. We can export and import. I'm going to click import here. And so there's 3 easy steps. You got to upload, map the fields, and then add any other additional details. So for this, we can click and upload, or we can simply drag and drop. I've got the file handy, so I'm dragging and dropping it in, hit next, and now it's going to have us map those fields out. And so it automatically tries to map them, which is nice. So it mapped the company name, the website, first, last name, title, email. I didn't get the LinkedIn profile, but that's okay. You can either search through this, or you can just type in LinkedIn. There's LinkedIn profile text, and that is all that needs to be mapped. So pretty seamless. Hit next, and now we're going to give this a title. We'll just say lawn service campaign upload. Now here's a few options that you can do whenever you bring this in. So you can create a list when you import those. You can add new. You can update, so that way you don't add duplicates. You can do different things related to the primary here. You can add different tags. And so I would say for this one, I'm going to add a lawn service tag. And you could add these lists to like a workflow campaign if you had that already created. I don't. So we're just going to add these in and hit submit. And there we go. So that's done. And give it a few seconds and we should see that information within here. So there we go. Very seamless, very easy to do. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Comment below if it was helpful. And if you want to watch my next video, this is what YouTube recommends.